Hello everyone, welcome to my math teacher. In this video, I'll be solving question number 1 for you. This is from exercise 8.2 from the chapter Trigonometry. This is for class 10 students from NCERT syllabus. In my previous video, I have explained the trigonometric ratios of special angles starting from 0 to 90. So if you have not yet watched it, please watch it because I have given detailed explanation with proof. So proof is for general understanding, but remembering all these values are very important. This only will help us to solve all the sums. There is a small trick for remembering these values. So remember this number 4. Okay, starting from 0, right up to number 4. 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Just divide by 4. Now square root it. Root 4. Now 0 by 4. Square root of 0 by 4 will be 0 only. Now root 1 by 4. That is root 1 by root 4. Root 1 is 1 by root 4 is 2. This will be 1 by 2. So here we know root 2 by root 4. It will be root 2 by 2. So that is 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. As we know, the final answer will be 1 by root 2. So this is 1 by root 2. So we can see root 3 by root 4. It can be written as root 3 by root 4. Answer is 2. Now root 4 by root 4. Answer root 1. The value is 1 only. Copy all the values here. That is 0. Sin 0 is 0. The next one, sin 30 is 1 by 2. Next, sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Next, sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Now, sin 90 is 1. So, for cos, just write the reverse. So, this 1 will come to this extreme corner. 1 will come here, root 3 by 2. And 1 by root 2 will be retained in the same position. Then, 1 by 2 here, 0. As we know, sin by cos is tan. So just divide. 0 by any number is 0. So as we can see, this can be cancelled. When you divide sin by cos, root 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Root 2 and root 2 will get cancelled. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So just write 1 by root 3. Okay. Now 1 by 1 is 1 and root 3 by 1 is root 3. Now 1 by 0. So you can't divide 1 by 0. So it is undefined. Okay. We know how to make that tabular column. Cosecant, secant and cot are just the reverse of this. So from this we can get the values of those three ratios. Now let us start the first sum. That is sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60. We have to find the value. So now sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Okay, multiplied by cos 30. As we know, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Same. Plus sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 into cos 60 is 1 by 2. The same. Now multiply. Root 3 into root 3 will be 3 by 2 2s are 4 plus 1 into 1 is 1 by 2 2s are 4. So now take LCM 3 plus 1 which is 4 by 4. Answer here is 1. Finally, so sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60 is equal to 1. We'll solve the second subdivision. So this is equal to 2. So you can see tan square 45, which means we have to write the tan 45 value and then square it. As we know, tan 45 is 1. So tan 45 value is 1. Just write 1 and square it. Okay. Plus cos square 30, which means cos 30 value should be squared. Now cos 30 here is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 will be squared. Minus sin square 60, which is sin 60 value will be squared. So root 3 by 2 is squared here. That is 2 into 1 square is 1, so 2 ones are 2 plus. Just square it. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 by 2 twos are 4 minus root 3 into root 3 is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 is 0. Answer is only 2. Third subdivision is cos 45 by secant 30 plus cosecant 30. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 by secant 30 is just the reciprocal of cos. So secant 30 is 2 by root 3. How? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So secant will be the reverse, that is 2 by root 3 plus. Now we know cosecant 30, cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So sine 30. Now 1 by 2, the reciprocal will be 2 by 1, which is 2. Now this is 1 by root 2 by, take the LCM of this. So 1 root 3 will be the LCM. Just cross multiply 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay. Now this will be 1 by root 2 into, so this numerator, this is denominator. Write the numerator as it is. So when you multiply this, the denominator will become the reciprocal. Root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3. Just multiply. 1 into root 3 is root 3 by, just multiply 2 into root 2, that is 2 root 2 plus root 3 into root 2, just it will be 2 into root 3 into root will be 6, 2 root 6. Consider this as A plus this as B. So conjugate is multiplying and dividing by the same AB. The sign will change. If it is plus here, the sign will be minus. And if it is minus here, the sign will become plus. So that we can find the denominator in A square minus B square formula. That is the reason. So into A minus B, 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 by 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. Okay. Now this is root 3, just multiply. It will be 2 root 3 into root 2 will be root 6 minus same 2 root 3 into root 6 will be root 18. 3 6 are 18. Okay. Now divided by, this is A plus B into A minus B formula. So A square minus B square. A is 2 root 2, square it, minus B square is, B is 2 root 6, 2 root 6, just write it and square it. Okay. Here 2 root 6 minus 2 root 18 by 2 square is 4, root 2 square, root 2 into root 2 will be 2 minus 2 square is 4 into root 6 into root 6 is 6. So we will get the answer as 2 root 6 minus 2 root 18 by 4 2s are 8 minus 24. Root 18 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3. As we know, it can be squared. So we can write 3 root 2. 2 root 6 minus 2 into 18 can be written as 3 root 2. Can you understand? So 2 is retained, multiplied by 18 can be written as 3 root 2. So now we can write 2 root 6 minus 2 3s are 6 root 2 by 8 minus 24, that is minus 16. Now we can the common minus 16. So now we can write separately 2 root 6 by minus 16. So minus 6 root 2 by minus 16. As we know, this rational number, now minus into minus will become plus. So here we can cancel this 2 1 times 8, that is root 6 by minus 8. So minus and minus will become plus. When you cancel, it will be 3 here and 8 here. So this is 3 root 2 by 8. So we can write the positive number first and then negative number. So 3 root 2 by 8, because this is positive, this is negative rational number. So minus root 6 by 8. So we can finally write 8 as common. 3 root 2 minus root 6 is the answer. That is cos 45 degrees by secant 30 plus cosecant 30 is equal to 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8. This is the answer. The fourth subdivision. Sin 30 degrees, it is 1 by 2 plus tan 45 is 1 minus cosecant 60. As we know, cosecant is the reciprocal of sin. So root 3 by 2, it will be 2 by root 3. The reciprocal by secant 30. Secant is the reciprocal of cos. So now it will be 2 by root 3 plus cos 60. Cos 60 here is 1 by 2 plus cot 45 degrees. Now tan 45 is 1. The reciprocal of tan is cot. So the 1 by 1 will be 1 the same. Now we can take LCM. So multiply the denominator 2 root 3 in the numerator here. So this is numerator. So we are taking LCM 2 root 3. Now compare with this. So we have to multiply with the left out number, that is root 3 will be multiplied by 1. 1 into root 3 is root 3 plus we have only 1, so we don't have 2 and also root 3. So just multiply both with this number. 1 into 2 root 3 is 2 root 3 minus root 3 is here, the left out number is 2, multiply with the numerator, 2 into 2 will be 4. The same for the denominator. So denominator also we have 3 here, 2 here and 1. So the LCM will be 2 root 3. Now compare with this, root 3 we have, so 2 is not there, so 2 into 2 becomes 4 plus 2 is there, root 3 is not present, so 1 into root 3 is root 3 plus 1, if it is 1 just multiply with both the numbers. This divided by this, as we know both the denominators are same, we can cancel this. Write the numerator root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 by 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. So we can see here root 3 is common. Add this 1 plus 2, it will be 3 minus 4 by, so we can write like this, root 3 is common, 2 plus 1 that is 3 plus 4. So we can write 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 plus 4. Now again the same as the previous one, multiply and divide by its conjugate, that is take a plus b multiply by a minus b, 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 minus 4. Now multiply one by one, just take multiply this and this, so 3 3s are 9, root 3 into root 3 will be 3. Next multiply this number with this, so 3 4s are 12, so it is minus 12, 3 4s are 12 root 3. The next one, it is minus here, 4 3s are 12 root 3 and minus 4 into minus 4 will be plus 16. Minus into minus is plus, 4 4s are 16. Here a square minus b square, 3 root 3 square minus b square, that is 4 square. Now we have got 27. We'll take this as 16. This minus 12 root 3 minus 12 root 3, it will be minus 24 root 3. Okay. So add the numbers and keep the sign. Next square it. 3 square is 9 into root 3 is 3 minus 4 square is 16. So we have got 27 plus 16 which is 43 minus 24 root 3 by 9 3s are 27 minus 16. So finally we have got 43 minus 24 root 3 by 27 minus 16 is 7 minus 6 is 1, 11. So this is the final answer, that is sin 30 So this is the final answer of the fourth subdivision. 5 cos square 60 plus 4 secant square 30 minus tan square 45 divided by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. So let us apply all the values. 5 into cos 60 is 1 by 2 square it plus 4 secant 30 and square it. Secant is the reciprocal of cos. Now secant 30. So write the reciprocal of cos 30, which is 2 by root 3 and square it. Minus, as we know, tan square, tan 45 is 1. So tan square 45 is 1 square divided by sin 30 is 1 by 2 square it plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2 square it. Now 5. Expand the square. 1 by 4 plus 4 into 2 square is 4 by root 3 into root 3 is 3 minus 1 square is 1 by 1 square is 1 by 4 plus root 3 into root 3 is 3 by 4. So now multiply 5 by 4 plus 4 4s are 16 by 3 minus 1 by, it will be 4 by 4, it will be 1. So the denominator will be 1. Just simplify the numerator. Now take the LCM. 4 3s are 12 is the LCM. Now multiply by 3. Compare with 12. So we have to multiply by 3. 15 plus 3 here. So we have to multiply by 4. That is 64 minus 1 here. We have to multiply by 12. Add the two numbers. 15 plus 64 is 79 minus 12 by 12. So now what is 79 minus 12? 9 minus 2 is 7. 67 by 12. This is the final answer. So therefore 5 cos square 60 degrees plus 4 secant square 30 degrees minus tan square 45 by sin square 30 plus cos square 30 is equal to 67 by 12. So these are the 5 subdivisions. So practice a lot. Practice is the key to solve all the sums. Then only you will get the confidence to solve all the problems. So hope you must have understood this. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Keep practicing.